this package in, and this is just, I just want to tell you guys, do not buy packing peanuts. All of these packing peanuts, this is just one shipment. Welcome to my channel. My name is Grace and I am the creator behind Satin Aroma Home Fragrance Company, where I sell products to bring beautiful aromas to your home. So the main things I sell are these cute wax melts. Here's another example. So these are my snap bars and these are my clamshells. I'm actually getting ready to get rid of these because I'm gonna get a bigger size. So these right here are about 3 ounces of wax, and I want my customers to have a larger size option. So I'm actually gonna be discounting these on my website and phasing these out and bringing in a bigger size. I also sell wax melt warmers. I sell everything you need in order to use your wax melts. So I sell wax melt warmers, I sell tea lights, unscented tea lights, and I sell these cute match boxes. So like I said, I sell everything you need in order to use your wax melts. I just started my new YouTube channel to document my journey of starting this business and all of that good jazz. Going to start the process of making candles. Now, my business is all about wax melts, but it is a home fragrance company, and I just felt like I needed a candle. So I'm gonna have a candle. I'm literally just gonna have a one size candle, but I think it will add a lot to my home fragrance line. So I'm gonna start the testing process today, and hopefully by sometime next year, I will have perfected my, the type of wax I want to use, the type of wick I want to use, and I'll be able to release my candle line. But I fell in love with these candle tins right here. I think they are so cute, and I think they're considered just like travel size candles. But I can just already picture these being on my website, especially with the labeling that I want to do with them. So this is what my candles will look like. And I am going to try to do wooden wicks. The reason is because I love the way that wooden wicks sound, but I do know that it can kind of be difficult to use wooden wicks as far as having a good hot throw with your candles. So I'm gonna start the testing process today and just see how it goes. But I'm super excited to eventually be able to offer candles. But like I said, it's literally just gonna be this one size. And I think these are so cute. And I can already see like this one size being in a set. So like a set of 4. Like a set of 4 in a cute little clear box. I can just see it right now. So I'm gonna start the process today. Memory Box Candle Co. here on YouTube has a great formula that you can use to figure out how much fragrance oil and wax you need for each size container that you're using. So I used her formula when I started making my wax melts. So I know like exactly how much wax I need for my snap bars and my clamshells. But since this is new, a new container for me, I have to figure out the math for these candle tins. So that's what I'm gonna do now. There is a little bit of math involved in making wax melts and making candles, but her video is great. So if you are into making candles or wax melts, or you're starting to make them, check out her video on getting the right formula for your container. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, figure out the math for my candle tins. I've got my calculations done. That was a fairly quick process. It doesn't take long. So now I can start testing. Y'all, this lemongrass and tonka bean, it smells so good. It is a citrus smell, a citrus aroma. It has lime, lemon, and then tonka bean finishes it off. It is so good. It's like I'm smelling it as I'm working and I am loving it. Okay, so I have 4 different size wicks. So I'm gonna be testing 4 different candles today. And I need to label them. Each wick, the difference is between, I have 1 dual wick and then the other wicks are just a single wick, but they're different lengths. So I have like a large size, a medium size, another large, and then an extra large. So the width are all different sizes. I gotta do my measurements over. I think I wrote down a net weight that is higher than what the actual net weight is of these containers. So I had a lot of wax and oil left over, and I'm just adding them to these little tea lights I have. So what I'm gonna do before I mess up again is I'm gonna take this wax that I have over here that's already melted. This is just plain wax that I'm getting ready to add into this candle tin so that I can see exactly how much weight wax, net weight of wax this candle tin can hold. Y'all, I am so tired. Okay, I am tired and I am ready to be done testing candles. So I ended up testing 7 candles, 7 different scents. I had to get my net weight and my fragrance oil weight right. So let me just turn this around. That is why some of these are not filled up to the same height. So I had to kind of, redo my calculations. But I think we're looking pretty good. So far, my tops are drying pretty smooth. This one right here, I poured it very weird. Like, it did not come out even, but it's still like smooth on top, if that makes sense. It just looks a little crackled. But other than that, they're looking good. So I'm going to let these sit for a few days, and then I will get into testing their burn and the hot throw and all that good stuff. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to end this video here. All right, bye.